Hi, good morning and a very happy Akshay Tritiya to all of you. What is Akshay Tritiya? Akshay Tritiya is considered as one of the very important Murata in Hindu Sanskriti. It is said that whatever you do in the on the day of Akshay Tritiya, it is converted into the immortal wealth to your life. So it is auspicious to purchase gold on that day. It is auspicious to start anything and everything on that particular day. So why is it so? Why it is considered as the most auspicious Murat? It is said that Bhagwan Dhanvantari was given the Kuber Bhandar, authority of the Kuber Bhandar on the day of Akshay Tritiya. It is also said that the best friend of Krishna, Sudama, met to Krishna, and when he returned, whatever wealth he got from the Lord Krishna was on the day of Akshay Tritiya. So this day is a celebrate as the day of Sampatti, Dhan, as the auspicious day that whatever you do become immortal. Now there is two questions. When our life is mortal, when our existence is not immortal, then why we are doing something which is immortal? See friends, our body is not immortal, but our soul is immortal. So if you start learning anything new on the day of Akshay Tritiya, it will be with your soul forever. In whatever births you are taking, it will be with you. On the day of Akshay Tritiya, if you do some charity to someone, needy people, or maybe to the holy cow, it will be with your soul in the coming birth also. And that's why it is important. And yes, whether you accept it or not, till the time we are on this earth, we cannot deny the Sampatti and Dhan as one of the important Lakshmi, and so buying gold or purchasing anything related to a Sampatti is very important on the auspicious day of Akshay Tritiya. So wish you all a very happy Akshay Tritiya. One more important thing, that on the auspicious day of Akshay Tritiya, people around Odisha and Puri do the worship of Mother Nature. They do the puja of the earth, and today is the World Earth Day also. And trust me friend, one of the young girl, Arishka, told me today that the one important asset which should be immortal to be for our existence is the Mother Earth. So on this Earth Day, on the auspicious day of Akshay Tritiya, don't forget to show your gratitude to the Mother Nature, to the Mother Earth. Worship it and celebrate the Earth Day also. Wish you all a happy year ahead, and don't forget to purchase some gold, learning some new things or starting something new on this day. And we will see next year on the same day how much we grow on that particular thing. Right? Wish you all the best and a very happy Akshay Tritiya. See you soon. Bye-bye.